Hello and welcome. My name is Thomas, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing slash first impressions of the Sony SRS XB13. It's a little tiny itty bitty micro Bluetooth speaker. I don't know why I was going for microphone there, but I was. So let me actually get this so you can see it. Comes up with showing a little strap there saying some stuff. That's kind of neat. Open it up. You've got your questions or quick start guide, probably, question mark. Let's see here. Yep. So we got number 1, charge it with USB-C. We got it can charge in 4 hours and 30 minutes from 0 to 100%. That is a long time. How to charge it? You press the power on and then you press Bluetooth mode and then it'll do the little blinky dealy and then you'll connect. And there you go. It's on the other side here. How to play music, volume up, volume down. If you press the play pause twice, it goes forward. If you press it 3 times, it goes backwards. Let's see, we've got Bluetooth mode just on. Maybe this, this is probably how to pair. So you can do stereo mode. If you buy 2 of these guys, you can have a left and a right channel. And then this is showing how you would set that up. All right. Cool. So that's nice and simple. Moving on to the next thing of documentation. Just their, I don't even know, legal information. Don't need that one. Then we got more legal information. I feel like we've got more legal information. I feel like those are probably different languages. We have the actual speaker itself. Boom. And on the box, we also have a little tiny itty bitty USB-C to normal USB charger in there. That's it. So let's take a little quick look and gander at this thing. Got our power button right here. We've got Bluetooth, play, pause, volume down, volume up. Right here we have your little USB-C thing. This is kind of nice. It's in there. It's a little stretchy, but not too stretchy. Moves in there, seats in there really nice. Then you've got your strap that you can play around with if you'd like. I'm sure that there's a fancy way of doing this that I am unaware of making it tighter or looser. And then under here, you might be wondering, what the heck is this? Why is there like little things in there? Well, the reason why there's little things in there is because that's where the bass comes out. And then, of course, you've got your top here with the speaker that you can kind of see, which is kind of neat. All right, so let's power this guy on. So we press power, boom. All right, so we've got it powered on. The Bluetooth button is on. So bringing up the wireless devices, SRS XB13. Nice little beep, means we should be up and rolling. So let's go to the usual playlist of my YouTube test songs, starting off with Fleef by Ansel Elgert. Obviously through this, I'm going to not be talking. Maybe I'll do a voiceover at this point, but yeah, I won't be talking because of copyright, right? So actually, I'll be right back. I'm going to go through all the test songs and then we'll come back. You know what? One thing that we can also do, I want to say there's like the Sony. All right, never mind. I guess it doesn't actually have an app that you can use with it, which is surprising to me because I definitely thought that there was. All right, so I'm done with listening music for right now, and it's one of those that I was hoping. And keep in mind, this is first impressions. My thoughts are likely to change when I test it out a lot more thoroughly. So do take this as a first impressions. May not be the truth at the end of the day. But my first impressions, sound isn't terrible. It's not super great either. Not that I expect a lot from a speaker that is this size, but it's one of those that this definitely sounds better than like my cell phone. And it gets really, really loud, but it's one of those that vocals sound pretty good on it. Instruments don't sound super great. There's a little bit of kind of muddiness through everything. Just the bass doesn't really hit all that hard. And I think, did I say that instruments don't sound good, but vocals do sound good? and everything sounds just a bit like tinny. So it's not a bad sounding speaker. I definitely like the way it looks a lot, you know, just with the Sony. It's small. These buttons also are like very membraney with a very nice, good click to them. Let me listen to a few YouTube videos and stuff like that, see if I can notice a delay and stuff like that. All right, so if you're paying really close attention to the voices, you can notice ever so slightly of a delay on at least iPhone, but it's like super minor and it's really, really hard to see. Only if you're really paying attention. So I actually really, so far, I've really liked it for videos. It's one of those that, like, even on double speed, which is really a good testament of how good or bad a speaker is, when I have it on double speed, everything is still super clear. So I don't know if you guys actually watch like any RP stuff. Super good. GTA RP is amazing. Sometimes those are really hard to hear though. So, all right. So I am done going through my first impressions of this guy. So I checked out multiple YouTube videos, especially some RP YouTube videos, because it's one of those things that, especially like GTA RP, sometimes it's really hard to hear the different voices and everything like that when you're watching it. So I thought that was a really good test to go through with this, along with some other videos where it's just voices. Once again, as I said in the beginning, voices for this guy sound really good. You're also able to get some good separation, where I don't know if I would necessarily qualify this on my first impression as a good music speaker, but I'm really, really liking it as like a companion to your cell phone or tablet or something like that, of just watching multimedia. It is fire. It's one of those that the voices are extremely clear. You can hear the different ones. You can hear like the unique timbres of their voice. And you can also hear like what's going on in the background. So like for GTA RP, it was one of those, like, you know, I could hear the main character talking. I could hear the other people around them talking. I could hear the city talking and the vehicles and everything like that. So it was one of those that I really enjoyed my time listening to like multimedia more than I did for music for my first impression. Build quality for this guy is freaking solid as crap. I feel like you could chuck this at somebody, hit them in the head, it dropped down a waterfall, and it would still be fine. I don't know if I'd actually recommend trying that, but it's one of those that I really like. This feel too is very, I mean, it's like a matte plastic-y rubbery feel, but not fully rubbery, where it's grippy, no kind of matter how you have it. I like that there's a strap that you can just like hang it on stuff if you so like, but it's one of those that I don't know, first impressions, liking it for multimedia stuff, not so much for music. Great build quality. It's got an IP67 rating. Some other quick things that it has are bring your music to life with extra bass. I didn't find the bass to be super great on there. It was better, and once again, multimedia than it was for music. Sound diffusion processor for expansive sound. Did have good expansive sound for how small of a speaker this is. Waterproof and dustproof with IP67 rating, up to 16 hours of battery life. Compact speaker with multi-way strap, and add an extra speaker for stereo sound, which was the ST sound that I was talking about. Hands-free calling, which I don't know how I feel about. Bluetooth connection and fast pair technology. It does reconnect to your device super quickly, so I'll show that really quick. All right, turned it off, turn it on, and it's connected that quick. So it does have really fast pair, and then bam. Or maybe not bam. Oh, there's bam. Anyways, that's enough of the first impressions of the Sony SRS XB13. Like, dislike, subscribe, comment, follow, hit up my social media if you'd like. I will see you and your beautiful face on the next one. God bless, and peace out.